my Bonny Doon press with a 20-ton jack in it. Cost $1,000, $300 more for these magnets. Actually, let's do a bigger die here. I'm going to start this one in the middle. The pressure starts there and about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, I get this up to about 130 psi. And down until it just starts to turn. So this is where I think it'd be cool to have a electric jack, like the one they show on the videos of Rio Grande. So I called them up. You can put a little electric attachment to this jack. $2,585. $2,600 to make this electric. So I thought I'd just keep pumping for a while here. But I'm kind of old, so I thought I'd figure out how to electrify this another way. One of the things I'm thinking, I don't really need this particular jack, and there's electric jacks. They're not electric, but they're powered by air. They're called air jacks. 20 ton, the same height as this one is. They're only $129. I went down to Harbor Freight and they got one of those jacks. Frankly, this is doable. But it's wearing my arm out. So this is a 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack from Harbor Freight for $139. So the main thing is that we hope that this is going to be the same height as the jack in the press, which is 9 inches from here to here. And we also hope it's going to be strong enough to power that. So let's take it out of the box and we'll hook it up to an air compressor. 10 inches, that's good. Got a whole bag of extra gaskets. So you got these 2 springs off of here. So back to Harbor Freight, I'm back with this Fortress Ultra Quiet air compressor. 2 gallons, 135 psi. I think this will do the trick. Anyhow, we're going to close this valve here. We're going to turn on, see how noisy it is. Well, it's not bad. I can talk over that. Well, let's see if this Fortress Ultra Quiet Series air compressor is going to pump this 20-ton Pittsburgh jack. This air compressor didn't come with any cables, so I gotta make do here. The new jack is in the press. Let's see how it works.